Welcome to your absolute financial expansion and wealth attraction activation. Find a quiet, comfortable place and settle into a confident posture. Take a slow, deep breath in and gently release all economic worry. Today we are rewriting your internal blueprint for massive prosperity. Let us begin. I actively attract endless prosperity today, and I welcome massive financial growth. My personal economy is rapidly expanding, beautifully bringing me ultimate absolute freedom. I am entirely aligned with abundance, completely drawing golden opportunities my way. Financial wealth effortlessly flows toward me, perfectly rewarding my highly focused efforts. I easily shatter old scarcity mindsets, firmly stepping into my rich destiny. The universe generously funds grand dreams, and I gladly accept the support. I am highly worthy of millions, and I confidently claim my fortune. Every wise investment I boldly make safely returns to me highly multiplied. I attract incredibly lucrative new partnerships that perfectly align with my visions. True absolute abundance is my birthright, and I openly embrace it now. I effortlessly discover brilliant passive income, safely building my long-term wealth. My rapidly increasing daily cash flow easily sustains my beautifully luxurious lifestyle. I deeply appreciate the money held, while gracefully welcoming infinite new riches. The powerful law of absolute attraction successfully brings my financial desires closer. I carefully respect my growing finances, and my wealth permanently stays secure. I am a master money manager, making incredibly wise and profitable choices. Glowing bright wealth completely surrounds me, bringing immense peace and deep security. I easily manifest sudden massive windfalls, permanently elevating my standard of living. My active mind generates brilliant ideas that quickly transform into massive incomes. I comfortably embrace the wealthy feeling, gracefully letting it become my baseline. I am entirely capable of handling massive amounts of positive financial energy. Every smart strategic daily choice leads perfectly toward a highly prosperous future. I naturally attract very generous partners who actively help expand my empire. My total immense earning potential grows, completely removing all previous imaginary limits. I actively deeply focus on abundance, which instantly positively changes my reality. Beautiful golden money comes to me, perfectly smoothing out my daily life. I warmly welcome endless prosperity inside, and I share my blessings happily. The more massive wealth I give, the more the magnificent universe provides. I am a highly confident creator, successfully leaving a brilliant, rich legacy. My personal vibration perfectly matches wealth, gracefully pulling in massive golden opportunities. I easily completely release hidden guilt, because good people do amazing things. I am totally open to receiving massive wealth in highly spectacular ways. My incredible lasting financial success inspires and completely proves anything is possible. I happily celebrate my daily victories, actively building strong momentum for tomorrow. I completely detach from financial struggle, boldly stepping into a timeline ease. Golden doors of massive opportunity open everywhere I choose to boldly walk. I beautifully align my daily actions with my highest deep financial goals. My strong positive money mindset creates a completely unshakable and solid foundation. I am a highly successful visionary, turning my grand dreams into reality. Vast amounts of beautiful, rich prosperity chase me entirely effortlessly every day. I joyfully accept massive financial blessings, completely knowing I truly earned them. My daily thoughts of pure abundance physically transform into real tangible cash. I am financially highly secure, safe, easily happily resting in my wealth. The vast universe constantly conspires beautifully to make me extremely wealthy today. I happily embrace my rich destiny, and I safely step into power. I naturally vibrate at absolute frequency of pure and completely limitless wealth. My deep relationship with massive money heals completely and grows wonderfully strong. I am a highly brilliant entrepreneur, effortlessly spotting lucrative and hidden gaps. My confident posture naturally commands respect, instantly opening massive closed corporate doors. I deeply trust my sharp intuition, safely guiding my major financial investments. Every single challenge simply brings me completely closer to my grand fortune. I naturally expand my wealth container, perfectly holding massive amounts of abundance. My daily focus remains highly sharp, directly pointing toward my financial freedom. I joyfully release the outdated belief that earning money requires heavy struggle. Massive wealth flows into my life, exactly like a strong, beautiful river. I am financially completely, totally free to safely explore my deepest passions. My growing massive empire beautifully supports, safely providing for my entire family. I easily attract high-paying clients who completely respect my unique value. The more I deeply love myself, the more massive money I attract. I effortlessly break old generational curses, completely establishing a wealthy new bloodline. My positive money aura glows brightly, naturally attracting rich and fulfilling experiences. I easily solve complex financial puzzles using my sharp and brilliant mind. I completely deserve a luxurious lifestyle, entirely filled with total physical comfort. My daily actions are completely aligned with producing a massive profitable harvest. I gracefully accept massive financial help from unexpected and highly generous sources. I constantly uncover hidden golden treasures, safely buried within my own mind. My absolute massive financial success is inevitable, and I calmly await its arrival. I beautifully merge my deep spirituality with my massive material financial wealth. I easily outgrow my old environments, actively stepping into highly prosperous circles. My bank balances naturally multiply daily, effortlessly bringing me immense, profound joy. I deeply value my own time, beautifully pricing my services perfectly high. I am a highly responsible steward of the massive wealth I receive. My brilliant financial plans execute flawlessly, bringing in huge steady cash streams. I completely ignore any economic fear, perfectly focusing entirely on my growth. I am deeply anchored in prosperity, standing firmly upon my solid achievements. The beautiful energy of pure abundance circulates freely throughout my entire home. I gracefully allow my wealth consciousness to completely expand every single day. My immense financial success perfectly elevates everyone who works closely with me. I am entirely open to miracles that instantly transform my financial reality. I naturally attract incredibly lucrative partnerships that perfectly align with my vision. My pure intentions to do good actively multiply my massive financial returns. I easily clear away all debt, completely replacing it with massive savings. I beautifully enjoy the thrilling process of safely building my massive fortune. My inner wealth perfectly reflects outward, completely shaping my physical financial world. I deeply bless all my bills, gracefully knowing I pay them easily. I completely step into bright spotlights, confidently claiming my massive financial reward. My highly abundant mindset constantly creates new beautiful pathways to absolute prosperity. I am totally fearless and bold when pursuing my grand financial dreams. I effortlessly attract a wealthy reality simply by being my confident self. I gratefully accept my rich life, completely knowing I am entirely worthy. Take one final slow breath in and gently let it all out. You have successfully rewired your economic blueprint today. Carry this high frequency of abundance with you always. Whenever you feel scarcity, simply return to this session. Open your eyes boldly and welcome your new fortune. Have a truly wealthy day.